Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how to access your course content and see where your assignment instructions are. From the course homepage, I'm going to go one of two places. I'm either going to go to the course materials, click on the drop-down menu, and then go down to content, or I can scroll down to the bottom of the page under the news items and access the content browser here. I find that students have less trouble working through the content when they access it through course materials. So I will go to course materials and then content, and this is going to take me to the meat of the course. This is where I'll go to learn the material that I need to complete assignments and take assessments. If you'll look to your left, the table of contents includes Welcome to your GAVS course. Information about that. Here's where you'll find the information about your introduction discussion, which is an assignment due on the first day of class. And from there, I will start working in the Ancient River Valley Civilizations unit. To do that, I'll simply click on the page, or on the link rather, and then I'll go to the top of this page and click on Ancient River Valley Civilizations. This is going to take me inside the content pages. It's important that you work through these pages every day and read all the information that is listed. You'll want to read your introduction, the essential questions, and you'll always find what to expect, what's going to be coming up. Now you may notice on your schedule that some of these discussions and maybe an assignment or two are missing from the schedule. If you do not see a discussion or an assignment listed on your course schedule, you will not be responsible for it. You're responsible for the assignments that are on your schedule. These other discussions mainly have been taken out of the course and closed, so you do not have to complete them. When you're working through your content, it's important to always, before you move on to the next page, look at the blue bar to the right. This is where you will find handouts and additional resources that you can use when you're working through the material or completing assignments. Once you've finished a page, you're simply going to go to the next page and continue in the same manner. Again, always looking to the blue bar to the right. If you see words that are boldface or highlighted, there's going to be answers or vocabulary terms that you could find helpful. And then there will be some interactives. So here you can see there's some ancient civilizations, and if you click on the title of these civilizations, you're going to get a little more information about them. Now, I am currently on Firefox, and my video is not coming up. So I can do one of two things. I can activate my QuickTime and get it to come up that way, or I can go on a different browser. For the videos in this course, and I'm not going to wait for this right now, you need to make sure that you have the most updated QuickTime and the most updated Adobe Flash installed into your computer. And then you can see it's loading. And so now, once I've activated my QuickTime, the presentation, which could be a PowerPoint or a video, will load, and to watch or access it, you will click on just the little arrow here. Now, sometimes if you run into a situation and it's blocked, you can click on the icon up here. This is for Firefox solely, and you can allow it by changing your permissions. Here's a crossword activity to help you complete your understanding, and then you'll see a discussion. So your assignments are going to be embedded into the content pages, either directly into the white page or over to the blue bar on the right. There are several discussions in this first unit. Towards the end of the unit, if there's any culminating projects, you'll find those on the last couple of pages, and rubrics and things of that nature. We'll just go through all the pages of this first module so you can kind of see what it looks like. You have lesson checks, and if you see we're on page 10, you have a project, Ancient River Valley Civilizations. Here's information and instructions going along with the project, but then if you go to the blue bar to the right, you'll see your project rubric. And again, you'll use these presentations and whatnot to help you with your assignments. When you get to the end of a module, you'll have your module wrap up with your assignment checklist. And if you need to find the instructions to any of these assignments, you can click on the hyperlink and it'll take you back into the module to find the assignment instructions and relevant content information. And once you've finished a module, you'll want to review, move on, and then you'll take your test. And in the next video, we'll look at how to access the discussion board, submit a Dropbox assignment, and take a test.